Hey Remus, this is Jackie Otwell with Maxhouse Marketing. We spoke briefly last week about me creating this custom video for you of your website. So basically, I wanted to touch on a few topics and offer you some free tips for you to incorporate on your own. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to type in HVAC companies into San Antonio, Texas, and see where we're at. So this top section right here is the sponsored section, which these people are paying for ads. Below this is a Google Map Pack. So if you're not part of that, we would go ahead and add you to that. And then below down here is where the actual ranking begins. This is the organic section. So we're going to go ahead and compare your website through the duration of this video to championac.com. So I am going to bring up your competitor's website. And the first thing that we're going to do is talk about content. So content is any verbiage or wording throughout your website. We're going to focus specifically on the homepage. So what I do next is I go ahead and I copy and paste everything that is on your website or on their website on the homepage, and I place it into a word counter, and I see that they're sitting at about 311 words of content on their homepage. So let's go ahead and do yours next. Let's see. So you have about 478 words of content on your homepage. Google actually recommends having 1,000 to 2,000 words of content on your homepage. Reason being, this provides 1,000 to 2,000 opportunities for us to sneak in keywords, which is going to populate your website in Google searches. Google recognizes things of volume and content of that size, so that would be extremely beneficial for us. Now, what is a keyword? A keyword are these phrases that we stick into Google to populate your website. So that's what we're going to talk about next. I go ahead and I grab each of your websites and I stick them into Ahrefs, which is an online auditing tool that I use. Right off the bat, I just want you to go ahead and take a look at your traffic value and take a look at their traffic value. And there's a significant difference. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look at their keywords and see what they have slipped into their content. So things like AC repair San Antonio, San Antonio air conditioning repair, air conditioning and heating, San Antonio. So those are all keywords that we want because those are going to bring in buyer intent customers. Things like HVAC company, although this has a very high search volume, same for air conditioning services, those aren't buyer intent keywords. They're actually nationwide keywords, meaning someone in Oregon could Google this and it would essentially possibly populate this website. Is that beneficial to us? Is that going to bring in customers for us? Probably not. So we want to stick to those local keywords. So I'm going to go ahead and, oh, you actually don't have any keywords. So there's so much we could do for that. I didn't even notice that the first time I went and checked. So we could stuff, add about 1,500 more words of content to your homepage and stuff it with keywords, and you would generate so much more traffic online and get you really climbing those Google ranks. So another thing that comes into factor with climbing the ranks are backlinks. So what's a backlink? A backlink is essentially anywhere on the internet where this website is linked. So somewhere on the internet, this website is linked 4.1k times. So that essentially provides 4.1k more opportunities for this to gain publicity, see, etc. And then this website is only linked one time. So there's definitely a lot we could do for that. We'd go ahead and we'd add you to all those backlinks that they have. And then we'd go back each month and continue adding more and more and more. Anyways, I hope you found this video informative. Feel free to incorporate it yourself, or of course reach out to me for more information. I would love to help you out. And I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.